Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share with you our new digital files for this week. And I'm in love. I'm in love. Every time he comes up with a new one, I'm like, that's my favorite. This is my favorite. Gnomes, Christmas gnomes. So I don't know if you can be able to tell, but there's a little snowflakes there, some little reindeer on his little hat. I just love the details. I love the shading. I love the way his beard has two little, tufts on the side there that he put little elastic in. And I love the fact that we have all four sizes on one sheet. We won't be able to do that with every single one of our digital files, but this one, because it was tall and kind of skinny, he was able to do that. So we have the 2 inches, the 1 3/4, the 1.5, and the 1 1/4 all on one sheet. So bonus, not two different files. Plus, there's going to be 2 files with each, and we did the different tones of the skin, which is awesome. I am loving these. So this is apple and oranges. This is Cozy Cafe. So you can purchase, just one file, which you'll get 2 sheets, or you can get it in a bundle, which you'll get everything and at a discount. Oh, I'm loving these. So that's Cozy Cafe. This is Pastel Paradise. And these won't come out in our regular colors. These will be the only colors that will be available. What is our assorted. I think it's a nice variety for sure. And this is Radiant Rainbow. Oh, I am loving them. This is Seasoned Spices. Look how cute Seasoned Spices is. Oh my gosh. I'm just loving it. Loving all the colors. And this is Summer Carnival. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And this, next week, it should be gold members that get a digital file. So the bronze get 1 digital file, which they would have gotten at the beginning of the month. The silver get 2 digital files, which they would have gotten last week, and also the gold members. But the gold members get 3 digital files. But because it's December and it's Christmas, everyone that is a patron next week is going to get the mint files. So 2 of those. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so these are our new digital files in the shop this week. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.